Okay, I gotta find points A, B, and C, and D for the sinusoid that would have the points in this table. Okay, so most people find it helpful to just make a quick sketch. It doesn't have to be brilliant or anything, but just plot points that are like good enough. So for example, my x-axis, I got 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Notice I'm not really caring so much about scale as long as I get a good enough picture. And the outputs are 50, 65, 50. 35. So actually, now that I started sketching this, it goes down. So let's put these. So how about 50, and then it goes up to 65, and then down to 35. So the first point is 150, 365, and then 735. Oh, sorry, 550. And then 735, and then 950. So look, I got my sinusoid here, and that's a sine shape. So then the midline must be right here in the middle. That's our vertical shift, so that's clearly 50. A is our amplitude, and again, it could be, so A could be positive or negative, so the absolute value of A is the amplitude. That distance there is 15, okay? If we want to do a straight up positive sine graph, then we should let A be positive 15. Otherwise, it would be an inverted sine graph, which we could do if we started, so like if you continue this shape, it would be an inverted sine graph, and then we would use negative 15, but I'm just going to stick with positive. Okay, and then there's B and C. So C is a shift. So notice that the sine normally starts at the origin here. We got shifted right 1. So that tells us that C is a 1 because we shifted right 1. And then B relates to our period. So B is not the period, but we do know that our period is the length of one cycle. And we also know that the period is equal to 2 pi divided by B. And our period from our picture is clearly 9. And so if you solve this for B, you get 2 pi. I'm sorry, it's not 9, it's 8, right? It's this distance here. It's the length of a cycle from 1 to 9. Okay, it's 8. So B is 2 pi over 8, which we reduce to pi over 4 if we want. And now I've got a full sinusoid, or a full equation for this sinusoid according to what they asked.